Last time I used this one for the unload 3 bank, 4 bank, like this one. But this one, the Corona folding, it's too big inside easily. So I wanna try this one. This one is like this one. Yeah, this one is a correct one. Let's see, like information like this one. Feed, paper feed ruler. Sometimes doesn't work properly. See, like this. So we need to change the feed ruler, right? So I bought it like this one. There are two. This one for good for the Corona folding typewriter. This one is on the 4 bank, 3 bank. So I wanna use this one. So in order to access here, first you need a page. First we need to unscrew this one, unscrew this one, and then there's another one, right? And then this one. After that, we can take off from here. That means if we hit this side, if take off, it easily comes out the core stuff. Let's see. For this one, be careful. Sometimes this broken this one. So very carefully. Before normally I used like a WD-40 or other like brake cleaning stuff. Then so before turning this knot, this screw, you need some spray oil. And I already unscrew inside one, this one. So we don't need to take off the whole thing, just to keep, because when you put back, it's very tough because it's too small. So leave there, and then we can push this one like this, and then it's like comes here, and then you can like take off. And then at that time you should keep like this one, like this, because you after take off this one, when you put back on, it's a little bit tricky. So this is I think another advanced one. Normally like this one, no, like this top, like this one. So this one little bit late version, I guess. So then we can take off this one like this whole thing, and then we can take off the platen. But at the time you should look at this side, okay? Like this, you need to keep like this. And then as we expected, this one is a flat, right? Totally flat. See? Yeah, so easily I can do the like a trash can, something like that. And then this part like broken, like this, like this. After all like this, then we can clean this one nicely, and then we can put a new one. Let's see. Okay. I have to take up this one, and then like this, use the like this, then nicely remove the old one. This I did a lot like this one. I did it on the 4 bank, 3 bank, and then on the standard typewriter 3, and then 5, and then I did the Remington portable typewriter a lot, and then Corona folding typewriter, this one, and then 2 more other one I did a couple days ago. So nicely like this. The most important thing is find the material. For example, under the 4 bank and 3 bank, someone sell just each set means two of them, and $19.99 on eBay. But if we use the this one, this is for fit like 59 cents, and then this one for the Corona folding typewriter for fit, it's 39 cents. So we can make a lot. It still works good, working perfect. So after like cleaning, and then it's clean. And this one exactly like not tough into put this one into the what is it called, the band material, but on the other one a little bit tight. So at that time I spray here like WD-40. After that it's much easier to put into that tub material. So after that I need clean more a little bit. Okay, even though you buy that material from eBay, still you need this processing. You need to clean the old one nicely. So that means you don't need to buy from the eBay, but maybe a little bit more durable compared to the this transparent top, but tube, or I don't know, valve, air tube. I don't know what they use that kind of material for, what I don't know, but I think working good. So yeah, same, you need exactly same processing, even though by the eBay. Okay, almost done. Okay, then a little bit more like this, or you can clean more other stuff using the chemical, but actually that you don't need that. And then this one is easy to put this material, but on the other you need like a oil or something like a WD-40, apply here, and then put like this. This one relatively much easier like this, but still very fat, I mean the fit. So like this less stuff does not come, I mean it's harder, and then we can push like this, then it's easily go there. I'll show you. like this material. See? Yeah, almost there. Yeah, see? So a little bit more. Okay, and then you can cut the other side nicely, like this. Nicely. Be careful, always it's a knife. Okay. Okay, then done. So, sometimes you can nicely cut the edge, but I guess it's enough. Let's see. Put in this and then test it. Nicely turning, right? Yeah. And then we can put the platinum again, but at the time, put this one first. That means a little bit tough. So I always put this one first, a little bit. After that, I need 2 hands. Now, because here, this time we need this one first screw, then easy to the other one inside one. Then you can test it. So this one, it should do like this. Then after put everything, we can paper, and then I think it will be works good. Let's see after screw tighten this part. Okay. Now I put the paper. Let's see. Okay, and then yeah, nicely works. Okay. Okay. So. Very good, right? This one is a little bit different mechanism of the ribbon spool turning, right? One is like a wind up, and then one is a release. So normally, if works this one is like a free, right? But this one, not that case. Both always works. Always this one turn like this. This one always turn like this. See? Both turn like this. So after finish the one line, we can switch exactly the same. So this mechanism different. So don't put the together each it's not that case. It's like number 8, like this, turning like this. So this mechanism different. So always both gear connected together. Normally typewriter one free, just one side is a wind up, right? But this is not that case. All right, that's it, right? Thank you for watching.